रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट इज अ समरी ऑफ ऑप्शन है इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट, बैलेंस शीट, कैश बुक और नन ऑफ दिस। राइट आंसर इज कैश बुक। रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट इज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट, पर्सनल अकाउंट, रियल अकाउंट or none of these? Right answer is a real account. Receipt and payment account is prepared on accrual basis, cash basis, time basis or sales basis. Right answer is cash basis. Receipt and payment account is generally indicates credit balance, capital fund, debit balance or surplus. Right answer is debit balance. Income and expenditure account is a real account, personal account, nominal account or none of these. Right answer is nominal account. Income and expenditure account generally indicates capital fund, surplus or deficit, cash balance, net profit or net loss. Right answer is surplus or deficit. Legacy should be treated as a liability, a revenue receipts, an income or none of these. Right answer is a liability. Which of the following is not a NPO? A club, partnership firm, hospital, none of these. Right answer is partnership firm. Life membership fees received by club is shown in income and expenditure account, balance sheet, receipt and payment account or none of these. Right answer is balance sheet. Most transactions in NPOs are cash, credit, both cash and credit, none of these. Right answer is cash. The written agreement among the partnership is called partnership deed, partnership bylaws, a contract, a partnership constitution. Right answer is partnership deed. Liability of a partner is limited, unlimited, limited to capital or all of these. Right answer is unlimited. Making of partnership agreement is voluntary, compulsory, partly compulsory, none of these. Right answer is compulsory. In which year did the Partnership Act passed? 1932, 1956, 2013 or 1952? Right answer is 1932. In the absence of partnership deed, profits or losses are divided in capital ratio equally, any of these two ratios or none of these. Right answer is equally. Which one of the following is not the feature of partnership? Agreement, limited liability, sharing of profit, two or more than two persons. Right answer is limited liability. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to create reserve fund, find out net profit, find out divisible profit or none of these. Right answer is find out divisible profit. In a partnership firm, the maximum number of partners can be 20, 15, 10 or 50. Right answer is 50. When time of withdrawals are not mentioned, interest on drawings is charged for 12 months, 6 months, 9 months or 5 months. Right answer is 6 months. In the absence of partnership deed, partners are not entitled to receive salaries, commission, interest on capital, or all of these. Right answer is all of these. Goodwill is a fixed assets, an invisible asset, an intangible asset, or all of these. Right answer is all of these. The excess of average profit over the normal profit is called fixed profit, super profit, abnormal profit, or net profit. Right answer is super profit. Under average profit basis, goodwill is calculated by number of years purchased into average profit, number of years purchased into super profit divided by expected rate of return, or none of these. Right answer is number of years purchased into average profit. Profit of last 3 years were 6,000, 13,000 and 8,000. Goodwill at 2 years purchase will be 81,000, 9,000, 18,000, 10,000. Right answer is 18,000.